Hello and welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a white border to images in Canva. So if you look on the screen right now, you can see that I have some examples here for you. So as you can see, I have added a white border to this image of a dog, to this car, to this cake, and to this photo of me as well. So what I'm going to show you how to do is add a white border just like I have done with these just here. So to start with, I'm simply going to add a new page. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is add the photo to your design that you want to add a white border to. So I'm going to start by going to Elements and typing in car. And I'm going to find a good photo of a car. So this one here, for example. This is the same one I used in the example I showed you a minute ago. So in order to add a white border, we're going to go to Edit Image, and from here we want to click onto Shadows and Glow. Now we want to click onto Glow again so that we can edit the controls. As you can see here, we can customize the size of the border, the transparency, the blur, and also the color. So I'll start by making the color white. There we go, and I'll turn the blur to 0, the transparency to 100. And the size is completely up to you. So I think 6 looks okay for this photo. So then I'll click apply. And there we go. We have added a white border to this image of a car. So now I'll make this smaller and get it out of the way. So that is how easy it is to add a white border to an image in Canva. Now I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing to an image that I have uploaded. So I'll go to Uploads, and I will add this image just here to the project. And first of all, I need to remove the background. So I'll go to Edit Image and Background Remover. And once it has done, I will click Apply. Now what we need to do is go back to the Shadows tool. If you can't see it just here, simply search for Shadow. And you will find the Shadows tool. So then we'll click onto the glow effect again, and we will click onto the controls, make it white, turn the blur to 0, the transparency to 100, and I'll make the size 7. I think that looks good. So I'll click apply. And there we go. So I have added a white border to the photo of myself. So now you should understand just how simple it is to add a white border to an image in Canva. However, if you do not want to add a white border to your image, there are some other effects that you can add. So I'll go back to the Elements tab and I'll add another image. I'll search for a dog. And let's see, this one here is the one I used in the other example. So then I'll go to Edit Image again, and I will clear my search and I'll click onto the shadow effect. And as you can see, you don't have to use the glow effect. We also have drop shadow, angled shadow, curved, page lift, and also backdrop as well. So you can use the effect which is more suitable for your design. So if I click onto drop shadow, for example, and customize it so that the shadow is white, you can see that the shadow angles to the bottom right of the image. But you can change that by clicking on this drop down up here, and you can make it so that it's at the top, or you can make it so that it's at the top left, or anywhere else that you feel is right for your photo. And then once again, don't forget to click apply. And then there you go. You have added a drop shadow to your photo. But the focus of this video is showing you how to add a white border to images in Canva, and that is exactly what we have done with these two photos here. So there we go, that is all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you learned something new. I will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.